Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna show you update. Papaya seeds have germinated. So happy. They are some seedlings that are 6, as you can see, and they are so beautiful. Just germinated month ago. I just planted them in March. As you can see, they're written in 2 March. But I did a video. I think you saw that video, but they dried out. Just they were in the Ziploc bag, and I just when I jet them out of a bag, they dried. But I planted again, and I did not put in that bag again. So they look great now, and I have to divide them. Just I let only one in this spot. This I think. So yeah, that's great seedlings, and so happy that germinated. Just beautiful looking now. I grow them inside and they look great. It have sunny on the window, and that's it. I put this label back and just waiting for grow. It need to be only one in pot, then will grow great and amazing. So I will make again video update on them, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova, and subscribe to my channel if you want, like and share, and bye.